Today we're working on a 2021 Chevy Colorado ZR1 off-road. This car has the projector style headlights, which is not common to all of the Chevys. So we just went in and did a LED headlight bulb for the projectors. You can see there a little bit of a beam pattern there. Driver's side's easy peasy, a lot of room here to work. You just get to the cover, take the cover off, put that in there. That's not the problem. The problem is this passenger side has this entire gigantic plastic cover, and what you won't notice is that there's one retaining plastic, whatever they call those, retaining thing here. One of these guys down here at the very bottom. And when you look here, it's actually, we had to unbolt the air horns, or not the air horns, but the horn, which bolts up right here, because that last plastic bolt is all the way down there underneath the air horns. I don't know who's supposed to be able to get to that without removing the air horns. So you got to remove the air horns, and then you have one big one down here, and you have a couple up top here that hold it on. And you'll see here there's the three up top here, there's that big one down there, and then there's these two here. So if you're doing the headlight swap, and then we obviously removed this zip tie here, that was the hose for the coolant, kind of hangs there. We'll re-zip tie that back together, no big deal. But yeah, so that's what it takes to swap a headlight on these guys. The bolt for the horns is just a 10 millimeter, but I had to use a wrench to get to it. I don't think you can get a socket in there. But yeah, otherwise easy peasy. Put it all back together. We've got headlights.
That one back out.
Oh no, that goes under there, huh?
Under here.
Okay, and then there's a Torx that goes.
I got that right here.
The Torx goes right here on into the headlight.
On this.
So
That's
we'll
what the screw is. The screw is the Torx. Yeah, let me get that out of the way.
Just turn the screwdriver. Yeah. That's it. It's coming. It's out. Here, I'll grab it.
You get it? Your finger's that strong?
Ugh. Used to be stronger.
It goes up under the...
Try the screwdriver again. You gotta pop that inner piece out.
Oh.
It's in there good.
Yeah. It's harder.
Yeah, it's good. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming.
That's what she said.
All right.
They are blue. They are better color.
Yeah, and it looks like you get a hard cutoff line.
Yeah.
And
About the third row on that ladder.
it's a bit wider, it looks like.
Yeah.
Now you got to get the yellow fog lights. So then between the blue and the yellow, you get daylight.
Well, what do you mean